Hello, in this video, we're going to talk about 5 strategies to help increase your contact ratio. It's about turning that initial inquiry and making it an actual lead. And if you stick around to the end, I'll give you my bonus strategy on what I used to achieve a 90% plus contact ratio. Hey everyone, I'm Brandon Alexander and welcome to DealerSocket, your destination for DealerSocket training, digital marketing strategies, and darn tootin' fig Newton, so much more. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button down below, and anything we discuss will be linked in the description. So let's get started. So strategy number 1 is all about common sense, yet it is probably one of the most overlooked / forgotten strategies. And that's the speed of your response. The quicker you get back to the customer, the odds increase. That's called dead air. The odds increase that you have a conversation with the customer. I'm not talking about selling a car. I'm talking about getting a conversation started. So the longer you wait, the odds match that distance, that timeline on. If I get back to them in 5 minutes versus 45 minutes, the odds of the 5 minute are really high. The odds of the 45 minute get a little bit lower. And if you wait longer than a few hours, they've already got a response from another dealer. So please do not underestimate or overlook how important the speed of responding to the customer truly is. When it comes to strategy 2, it's simple. Answer the questions. There are so many times where I read emails that don't answer the initial questions. Customers are always asking, what's the mileage? Is that leather or cloth? What size is the engine? Can I tow with this? What size are the tires? All these questions get missed, and the salesperson simply sends out a template that says, hi, I'm so-and-so. I'll be happy to assist you. What questions do you have? I just asked 3 of them, and you didn't answer them. I'm going to the next dealer. So when you're inside of DealerSocket, and you're on the web lead, this little show more button will actually expand the lead. You can see all this information. And typically, again, depending on the lead, but 9 times out of 10, these customer comments will live there. And that's where you're gonna see things like, what size are the tires? Are those cloth seats? Are they leather? What size is the engine? Does it have Bluetooth on the steering wheel? What's the actual mileage as of today? Okay, so always, speed of the inquiry was strategy number 1. Strategy number 2, answer the question. So before you even get to sending an email or doing something like that, read the comments. Get some answers if you don't know them off the top of your head. All right, let's move on. When it comes to strategy 3 and 4, they coincide and live one without the other. And so strategy 3 is simple. Text, email, and call. If you've got all 3, if you've got one phone number that's mobile and an email, please text, email, and call. In my bonus section of what I used to do, I'm going to talk about a couple word tracks you can use via text and email and what you can say on voicemails to not necessarily guarantee a phone back, but to obviously increase the chance they call you back. So please, don't just email if there's an email and a phone number. Do all 3. Strategy 4, which is part and parcel to strategy 3, is simple. Send them what to expect from you, their automotive professional. There's no harm, no foul if you send them, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Customer, thanks for your inquiry. Here's what you can expect from me over the next 24 hours, 48 hours, 14 days, 7 days, 60 days. Send them what to expect from you. You will then use those expectations, or better put, those expectations will be your process / goals, right? Follow-up tasks in particular. You're going to have your game plan. Mr. and Mrs. Customer, this is my game plan with you. We need to get on the same page so that I can best serve you as your automotive professional. So that's stage 4. Send them what to expect from you. All right, we're into the home stretch. We're into strategy 5. And believe it or not, this was an important one to me. And it's be yourself. Let me repeat that. Be yourself. That means you can use templates to have a conversation starter, but if you're not speaking like you would normally speak in an email or type, whatever you want to call it, if you're not texting like you normally text or talk on the phone like you normally talk on the phone with friends and family, vulgarities and curse words aside. You can't be that personal, but be yourself. The number of times I've received phone calls back saying, hey Brandon, we listened to your voicemail twice and my husband and I thought we'd call you back because you actually sound just like us. Hey Brandon, thanks for email. Yeah, you sound like a normal guy. I thought I'd give you a shout back, or I thought I'd send you an email back. Thanks for the info. It's amazing what happens when you actually be yourself and reply to customers as you would a friend. Okay, so strategy 5 is simple. Be yourself. So we've made it through 5 strategies, and before we get right into the bonus strategy here, I just want to quickly show you how quick and easy it is to respond to your lead. It's all right here in DealerSocket. Customer's name, phone numbers, email, a text message button off to the right, an email button. You can click that you made a phone call or emailed to respond to the lead. Pardon me. You can click show more so you can see the customer's comments right here. So one spot, all the information in front of you, what vehicle they're interested in, and it gives you the ability to answer quickly, respond quickly, answer the questions, call, text, email without fumbling around for what they're looking for. And then it leads right into my bonus material. And the first step to that is create a YouTube channel, right? When I search Brandon OMS, here it is. Here's my YouTube channel. Here's my playlists. I have got some thank you videos. I have some walk around videos. I've got some tech videos. I have some bloopers. You want to check out my channel? It's linked in the description. But it enables you to have a library of content at your fingertips. If you've watched my Have You Heard of YouTube video, this is what I talk about. But it gives you a library so you can send this information to your customers and give them valuable content. Now, the word tracks I would use, and let me just quickly show you. You know, here's an email with that thank you done. I add video here, search it on Google or on YouTube, and find the one video, and I get to post it. All right, so real valuable stuff for your customers. And lastly, the word track I always use, there was a few variations, but in essence it was, thank you, Mr. or Mrs. Customer. There's a lot of information. If we don't reconnect by date X, I will reach out on day Y. Hey, I sent information. If I don't hear back from you by blah, I'll reach out again on day X. If you're texting, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Customer, if we don't connect or I don't hear back from you by tomorrow at noon, I'll try again, right? Same with an email, okay? So very powerful stuff. It helps increase the chance that your inquiries become leads, which increases your contact ratio. So again, thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, comment. Please hit the subscribe button. And remember, this is Brandon Socket, your destination for DealerSocket training, digital marketing strategies, and darn tootin' fig Newton, so much more. We'll see you soon.